Hi everyone. Well, this is Gaga Joy and Gaga Joy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making something that I love, and it just takes like 8-10 minutes. It's our fettuccine pasta. I don't know if everyone is familiar with it, but it is a good pasta, and it's with shrimp and Alfredo sauce. And I've got my water already boiling here. I'll turn it up a little bit. You know, you can actually do this, the fettuccine the day before, and just put a little bit of olive oil on it and shred it around, and then the next day, if you're in a hurry, you wouldn't have to do anything except add the Alfredo sauce, which is very easy. And a lot of people use jarred Alfredo sauce, so I do like the fresh though. It's just like everything else, it's just much better. Now I've got a pound of shrimp and of course my fettuccine. It's not a lot of ingredients to go with it. And I'm gonna make the sauce, and fettuccine usually 8 minutes at the most. So I'm gonna try to get my sauce up to standard. I took 3 cloves of garlic, but I'm not going to chop them up because actually I'm going to take them out after the cream and everything mixes. Put I'm going with a cup. Might want to put some more if it's too dry. We'll put a little bit extra. And just get this started. When it starts to boil, I love fast dishes like this, you know, because I don't like to go out and eat anymore with the pandemic. I'm still not comfortable going out. So when you can make a really nice dish at home, I'd like to go for it. Now this will get a little thicker, of course, while our fettuccine is cooking. I love to go to the grocery store and see for kinds of pasta and see what I could make the next time, because I love pasta. And I'm not even Italian. Well, now I'm going to add my shrimp. It just takes like 2 minutes for shrimp. I set my cream sauce off for a minute. This is a pound of shrimp. It's deveined and peeled. All we want to do is just get a little bit pink on both sides, or a whole lot pink. We want them to both be pink, of course. I put Creole seasoning on mine. You could put any kind of seasoning you want. You put salt, pepper. You put seasoned salt, any kind. I just happened to pick that up just out of the blue, and I thought, well, I'm going to put that on my shrimp today. Plus, it's a good flavor to it. You know, our fettuccine is doing very good. Good. Good on time. Put a little bit on this, a lot on this. Right. When they start to curl up, you know it's about time to flip them over once. Isn't it funny how they do? There's your pink. And of course, when you put them in the shrimp sauce, they're going to cook a little bit too. But if you cook them 1 minute on each side, you've got plenty. Shrimp sauce, they cook a little bit. But basically, You got it on here. Our family is a seafood family. I think there's everything we like. And when I say seafood, I mean anything. There's a couple of fish that I don't like. I'm sure everybody has that. Come on. Shrimpy. Oh, that's the right ones. Oh well. We may do. We're having such pretty weather here the 1st of March. It's scary to think that there are places in the United States right now that's having it so hard. We should all be concerned about them. It seems like it's always something going on weather-wise this time of year. Okay, I'm going to add my cream sauce to where my shrimp was. I took my shrimp out to her. I didn't like this skillet. It's too big. And at this time, I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese because that thickens up your Alfredo sauce. Oh gosh, that looks so good and thick. I think I'm putting a little bit of pepper in it. I love the ground pepper. Our fettuccine is about done. Now you can add a little bit of nutmeg to this. I don't particularly like nutmeg, so sometimes if you put just put a little bit of nutmeg in it, it's good, but I don't particularly like nutmeg, so I left it out. Okay. Set my fettuccine right here. Cut it off and start adding it. This way you can stir in a little bit without putting it all in it. Looks good. Looks good. I've got all my fettuccine in here, and I did save a little bit of pasta water. If you think it gets too thick, you can just put you some pasta water in there. And then all we have to do now is add our shrimp. And cut everything off. And that makes a big pot of well, there's your fettuccine Alfredo, pasta Alfredo. Now I'm going to taste this. I was going to put some chives in it, but they smelled so pungent and kind of find out it's cilantro. And I love cilantro, but not in this. Do it right. And shrimp, of course. I hate these tongs. I don't know why I've used them. Well, let's taste it and see how good it is. I'm sure it's hot as fire. Oh, you can't be disappointed in that. Oh, that's so good. It also needs a little salt. Well, want a fast meal? Make it fettuccine, Alfredo, and shrimp. It's a wonderful meal, and it'll go fast. We've had a good day. It's been pretty around here. Remember the joy this week. There are those that are suffering with the freezes and things going on. Just remember other people too. And subscribe, ring that bell up there. We'll see you soon.